Hello there and welcome to your afternoon forecast this Thursday. Well, for the bulk of the country, it's a fine afternoon with some sunshine. However, Storm Lorenzo, which was Hurricane Lorenzo when it was parked across the mid-Atlantic, is going to affect us as we head through the next 24 hours. Main impacts will be across the Republic of Ireland, where it was named as a storm. Even so, we will see some strong winds, and the Met Office has issued warnings for Northern Ireland for those strong winds this evening and then tomorrow across southern parts of Wales as well as the West Country. However, through this afternoon, most places seeing some dry weather, some sunshine, just a few showers across the far northeast of Scotland. Cloud coming and going, but this is the system here. It's moving in from the west, and as you can see, as it moves across towards Northern Ireland, some quite heavy pulses of rain coming through as the winds pick up some strength. It then nudges towards western parts of Wales as well as the West Country, so a wet end to the afternoon here. Elsewhere, not a bad afternoon to come, certainly some dry weather, some brighter conditions as temperatures rise to around 12, 15, 16 degrees Celsius. However, as I said, there is a weather warning in force from 4 o'clock this afternoon for Northern Ireland, particularly around the coastal districts. High tide is around 3:30, 4 o'clock, and so coupled with some strong winds, we could see some overtopping of waves across harbour walls, sea walls as well. So the wind could cause some damage, obviously coupled with some quite heavy rain, poor visibility, surface water on the roads. And the land is saturated, so we'll see continued swollen rivers. Now this warning continues until 10 p.m. this evening, so certainly when people are travelling home from school and work. So it's worth noting we could see some broken branches. So all in all, yes, nasty weather to come through Thursday. So through Thursday evening, this rain pushes from Northern Ireland, much of Scotland towards northern England, and then we'll see the remnants of that moving towards the eastern side of England through the early hours of the morning. Some clearer skies to follow. This is the system here which will slide across the country towards the near continent through Friday. So through the first part of Friday, we'll see a few showers coming in across Wales and the West Country. The wind then picks up some strength here. A windy end to the night for Northern Ireland, western parts of Scotland. The North Channel seeing some gales for a time and outbreaks of rain. Quietest conditions up towards the far north of Scotland. So let's just pick up on the warning through Friday, in force from 4 a.m. until the afternoon. Winds will pick up to perhaps even 55 miles an hour inland. Along the coast, it will be more like 60 to 65 miles an hour. High tide mid-morning and mid-evening, so certainly some very high waves to come here through the day. And with that, some outbreaks of rain later on. We actually see poor visibility, spray on the roads, surface water. So some tricky driving conditions for this zone, but those stronger winds extend away from that zone as well. So some windy weather to come through Friday. So this is the system here, and it will track, as I said, towards England and Wales before clearing through the latter part of the day. It's quite a messy picture, but there will be some quite moderate bursts of rain across southern parts of England and Wales through the afternoon, certainly for Russia. Some tricky driving conditions. Clearer weather then across central and northern areas of Scotland. We hang on to more cloud across the bulk of southern parts of Scotland. England seeing the remnants of that rain clearing away, and then some clearer skies moving in across Northern Ireland later. Temperatures then 16, 17 if you're lucky, 12 or 13 further north, helped with a little bit of sunshine. So through Thursday evening, watch out for that rain. It could turn heavy for a time across the south coast and then clears away. Some drier skies then for many areas, and the temperatures will fall off as we head through Friday evening into Saturday morning. A bit of a chilly start to the weekend, and it will be a dry one. However, through Friday into Saturday, another system makes its mark across the west. Outbreaks of rain move in, the winds pick up some strength through Saturday into Sunday, and then a drier end to the day across much of the country away from the east and northeast there through Sunday evening, and it's going to be a cold old night as we start the working week on Monday. Bye-bye.